In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add a contact to Klaviyo. By the end, you'll be able to add a single person to the right list, set their consent properly, and confirm everything is saved exactly as you expect. Start by logging into your Klaviyo dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, open Audience, then choose Lists and Segments. This is where all your subscriber groups live, and where you can manage who belongs to each list. If you manage multiple lists, take a second to decide where this contact should go, since list membership often controls which emails and flows they'll receive. Next, click on the specific list where you want to add the contact. For instance, this might be your main newsletter list or a list created for a particular campaign. Opening the list first ensures the contact is added to the correct place without any extra steps later. In the top right corner of the list page, click Add Profile. This opens a form for entering the person's details. You'll see fields for the email address, which is required, along with first name, last name, and an optional phone number. Go ahead and fill in what you have, even though only the email is required. Adding more information helps with personalization and segmentation down the road. If you're including a phone number, use a consistent format with the country code for best results. Before you save, set the appropriate consent or subscription status. This is crucial. Only add people who have clearly opted in to receive your communications, whether they signed up through a form, checked the box at checkout, or gave explicit permission elsewhere. Choosing the correct consent status keeps you compliant with email regulations and helps Klaviyo send to them appropriately. If you're unsure, confirm how and when the contact opted in and document it internally. When everything looks good, click Add Profile or Save. Klaviyo will create the profile and associate it with the list you selected. If the email already exists in your account, Klaviyo will update the existing profile rather than creating a duplicate, which helps keep your data clean. Finally, confirm the contact was added. You should now see their profile in the list. Click their name to view the profile details, add tags if you use them for organization, and review activity as it starts to populate. This is also a good moment to double-check spelling, consent status, and any custom fields you rely on. And that's it. You've successfully added a contact to Klaviyo manually. Thanks for watching.